if you're experiencing frame stuttering in Cyberpunk 2077, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest updates can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Open the game and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the settings for options like texture quality, shadows, and reflections. Reducing these settings can help increase frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Enable performance mode. If you're using a gaming console or PC, check for a performance mode option in the game settings or system settings. Enabling this mode can prioritize frame rates over graphical fidelity, leading to smoother gameplay. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume valuable system resources, leading to stuttering. Step 5. Optimize system performance. Consider optimizing your system for gaming. This can include defragmenting your hard drive if using HDD, ensuring adequate cooling for your hardware, and checking for any malware that could affect performance. Additionally, adjusting power settings to high performance can help. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame rates and a reduction in stuttering while playing Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your gaming experience.